Hello everyone! I wanted to do my review on my shirt I just got in for the Ahsoka Cosplay. And sorry if I'm a little red and sweaty, I just got back from the gym and I just found this in my mailbox. So I'm so excited to show it to you and see what it looks like and see whether or not I want to use it with my cosplay. It's by MSBASIC, as you can see. It cost, I believe it was $16 on Amazon. So let's open this baby up and see what it's like. This would be a good alternative if you don't want to use like nylons or pantyhose for sleeves. I picked this specific one because it was a turtleneck style and that would be less makeup I would have to do. Let's see, it's a very soft material, like I like it. Seems very lightweight too, like it would be good for under layering. The seam's not very big, so that's a plus. The color I'm looking at on my screen is pretty true to the color it is. So if you're going for that type of orange, like maybe early season Ahsoka, I've been debating a lot on what makeup I'm going to use, so I will get to that in another video once I get everything in that I want to try first. So I'm going to try this on with my dress and sleeves and see how it looks. Alright, there we are. So I don't think the orange is too bad as far as shades go. I do like how soft it is and it comes up pretty tight around the neck. You should see me trying to get it over my head. It feels really soft. I normally wear a medium in shirts and I ordered a small just so it would be fairly tight. Also wearing an undershirt. I didn't think that through. I probably should have took that off, but either way, it's a very thin shirt, so I think the colors look good. I like how it comes up the back of my neck, so I will really only have to paint from here up, depending on what makeup I choose to use. So I like that. Tell me what you think in the comments. And I think I'm gonna keep it. I think this will work good. Maybe even for if I do cosplay when it's cold in like the winter time. There's what the sleeves would look like. That seam, which isn't really a big deal to me, but might be to you. But all in all, I like it. So for $16, I think I'm just gonna keep it. I will put the links to the Amazon seller that I got it from down below. And thanks for checking out my video.